Video is up and I'm back on the old dusty trail. I guess it's more a dirty trail. But here we are. Bumpy as all hell. Oh yeah. That game's a good one. There, you made it. To where, you say? You could probably hear it before you see it. Oh yeah. After you get done with that, you could take a nature shower. Maybe even just clean a couple of pots. It says we're in Transylvania country, Transylvania County, North Carolina. Hope there's no vampires over here. Because I'm full of blood. I hope they at least sell True Blood over there. Don't want to be one of those victims. Gotta worry about murderers, werewolves, vampires. So windy, in fact, blew the roof right off this guy. Interesting thing about this place, they don't only have one payphone, but two, and that one you can use from your car. Oh, Jesus guys, look at it. It says up there, 3 minutes for $1. Continental. Oh man, that's a bargain right there. Look at it. Think it still works? Let's go find out. No, but I do have the new avian flu. You're on 94.7 The Croc, the one and only sponsor of this travel adventures, playing the newy oldies, the oldie newies, the rock, the croc. Music made with shark bones, music made with alligator tails, crocodiles made into xylophones, crocodiles made into those weird little clam things that you clap together. You could even blast the finest of croc rock in your fish boat. Maybe even catch a croc. Or get away from a croc. After all, you could be best friends with one. You could find one in your toilet tonight. Then what, huh? Who you gotta call? Croc Rocker! Look at the selfie going on down there next to this waterfall. Thing's a lot more powerful. That'd make a hell of a theme park ride. Just jump right off into there. Hell of a spot to swim or something like that. Or maybe be pounded to death by the waterfall. Let's get down there. We can get a lot closer. You heard of Skyfall, but what about Waterfall? It's a hell of a sight. Damn, just a look at it. Second thought, maybe not the best. I would still like to go over it in a raft. Just watch out for those rocks over there. Might be doing a fail/death video. Wow. You can even get closer. If I don't totally block it off. Camp right on these rocks. That'd be a nice spot. definitely reminds me of the first time I went to Niagara Falls. It was a good time. Don't know exactly when it was, but it was also the first time I went to Canada. Where's this waterfall? I'm trying to get in the shot. Come on, cinematic here. What do you think? Yeah. All I know is, I thought I was the coolest kid. I was like, yeah, you know what I did over the break? I went to Niagara Falls. And they said, Canada. Everyone goes to Niagara Falls at least once in their life. Really coming down. I think there's a fight going on too. Jesus.
You'd rather turn to people who's not helping you, right?
That's enough drama for today. Remember to mind your own business, and I'll see you tomorrow.